So here it is, the Airpods MAX. The beautiful Airpods MAX. With the beautiful smart case. So yeah, let's open it up. Oh, okay. Yes. Oh yes. Let's put this to the side right now and let's see what else is in the box. So the instructions and USB-C to lightning connector. So let's take the headphones out. Oh yes, nice. I'll put this right here for now and put back this. Just gonna put this right here. So yeah, these are the headphones. The Airpods MAX. The build quality on this is pretty amazing. They feel very, yeah, not cheap, if we can say it like that, compared to these ones. I can say that the build quality on this feels really good. So yeah, that was the unboxing, and let's try the sound quality on these headphones. Oh, sorry. So let's connect these headphones and let's see what pops up. And it's the Airpods MAX. Let's connect them. Done. So let's put the earphones on. Let's see. It's on noise cancelling, and let's try it. Let's try this with the Blue Laces 2 Nipsey Hussle, and we're gonna try it with 50% volume. Okay, the bass is definitely something else on these headphones compared to the Studio 3. So let's go to 75%. Oh yeah. Okay. You can definitely hear everything. The bass is awesome. And the mids, the lows, everything is good on this one. So let's try 100%. Ooh. Okay. Damn. Okay, damn. I can say that the bass, the mids, lows, everything on these headphones is awesome. Awesome, I can tell you that. It's a different sound quality compared to the Studio 3. Different. And I used to love these headphones when they came out. And these were like what, $350, $300 maybe. But damn, these ones is a different experience of sound with this one. I really, really love them. The price you can discuss, it is what it is, but it's definitely worth it. It's definitely worth the price. And to make it fair for the to the Studio 3s, I'm gonna compare my Airpods Max to the Studio 3s for now. Oh, sorry, I guess. So let's connect the Studio 3s. Okay. Let's start the sound, the music, and then level this. Okay, let's try 50%. Right away on 50%, you can totally hear the difference on this compared to the AirPods Max. The Studio 3 has good bass, but other than that, the mids and the lows you cannot compare to the AirPods Max. Let's go 75. Let's try 100 on these Studio 3s. Yeah, right away I can hear a big difference between these Studio 3s and the AirPods Max, and I can say the AirPods Max is the new champion. I really, really love these headphones. I can tell you that. So I'm gonna use these for everything: gaming, music, phone calls, everything, and I will give you a review about a month from now and see how they hold up. But for now, I can tell you that these are amazing. These are really amazing. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and subscribe and put a like on this video if you like it, and put a comment on what you want to see next. Thanks. Bye.